Alright, what we're going to do here is do the wheel assembly, and we're looking to build this part here. And you need to start out with a sketch like this. And what I'm going to do is just go to File, New, make sure you're in metric, standard millimeter, IPT, hit Create. And then go to Sketch, and I'm going to click this plane, and I'm going to go ahead and bring this part in. Now you will come down here, and what I did, I went to Line Command, and I went to the origin and drew a line right here. I'm going to duplicate it further over. Okay, and while in the Line Command, draw this part just the way it looks. So I'm going to go in here, kind of keep everything straight where you have your 90-degree angles, and we can dimension this when we're finished. So I'm going to go up. As you can see, I'm not putting any dimensions on it. I'm just going over, and I'm going to come back to the origin where I started. Okay, it kind of looks like what we have over here, but not quite. So we need to add some dimensions. So I'm going to say from this line to here needs to be 50, and that's millimeters. And what I'll do, I'm going to, just to keep this down, I'm going to make those, I had to make that 0 to get it back down. But anyways, from the bottom to the top is 50. Still in dimension command, I'm going to go here to here, and I'm going to make that 18. I'm going to make this 5. I'm going to make this one 5. This one will be 3. And let's see what this is. It's 25. So we need to make this one 25. And the inside is 27. So we're going to make this one 27. And this is all in millimeters. We can say from here to there, 38. We're going to make ours 38 here. Let's see, 5, 3, 27, 38, 50, 25. What is different here? Seven. Let's go here, check this one. 18. And make ours 18 here. This one is 19, I'm sorry. Let's go back, 19. 25, 5. We really don't have a dimension here yet. I'm really sure that's 37, and this is going to be 5. So I'm going to delete this one. And I'm going to put a 5 here. Okay, so what I've done here is duplicate what you're going to draw here. Once you get all of your dimensions, I'm going to delete, you won't delete yours. But since I have 2, I'm going to delete the one I just drew. So you're going to end up with this part like this. You're going to finish sketch. You're going to go to revolve. And it's going to pick out your profile. If you don't see it light up, you probably have a gap somewhere in your lines. Make sure, double check that. But you should have a profile that lights up like this. And all you need to do is select the axis like that and hit OK. And you're going to get a part like this. Now if we go back and look at our drawing, that part has been mirrored. So you drew half of it, and all you have to do is go back to your part here where you just drew it and you revolved it. So you're going to come here to the mirror command here, and it's going to ask you to select the features. So you're going to select, you're just going to click on that part, and it's going to light up everything. And then you're going to go to your mirror plane, and you're going to click this surface right here, and it's going to duplicate it like that. So again, first thing you do is go to your mirror command, select the part, go to your cube, hold down the left mouse, turn it, and go to mirror face and select this surface, and it's going to duplicate it. And that's how we build this part.